channel. Yvonne here. So today I have a makeup brush review. I got these brushes from Miracos Makeup, and this is their box. I think it's cute, black and rose gold. It's cute. And wait till you see the brushes. Ta-da! These are like luxurious looking brushes. These brushes are so cute, and these brushes are made in a way that the handles look like stiletto heels. Can you see? Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6. There are 6 brushes in all, and you have, you know, essential brushes that you need for your makeup. So the first brush we have a powder brush, and this is so fluffy and so soft, and these are made of synthetic fiber, so it's very, very soft. So this is a powder brush, and this is a blush brush. So this is designed perfectly to sit on the apples of your cheek to apply blush. And then we have an eyeshadow brush. So what it looks like, an eyeshadow brush. And then there is a blending brush. So this is much more fluffier. This is a blending brush. And we have a concealer brush, right? Yeah. This is a concealer brush. This is designed perfectly. Apply concealer underneath. Yep. It gets right underneath your eyes to apply concealer. And this is a dual eyebrow shaper, like a brow brush. There's a brow brush, an eyeliner brush, and this is a brow brush, eyeliner and for the brow. So this is a 2-in-1 brush. So guys, if you're looking to check out these brushes, I'll leave a link below, and then you can check them out. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.